As we take a look at our Northeast State camera, a beautiful view looking out towards Boone Lake and looking towards some of the mountains there in the distance from Northeast State. Look at the pollen. I think that's pollen. That may be pollen or a little bit of dust. They're doing some construction down here. It caught my attention, a little dust blowing around there. But a nice day overall. Very warm day on tap here with temperatures heading up into the upper 80s, near 90 later on today. Here's my high forecast. 90 in Bristol, Kingsport, and Johnson City. Lots of 9s and lots of 8s on the board here from Mountain City into Rome Mountain, also into Greenville and Rogersville. Upper 80s, low 90s, more of the same across Southwest Virginia and our Kentucky counties, also in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. Pool forecasts or lake forecast or any body of water forecast for today, looking good. All right, UV index though rather high. Keep that in mind. Sunburn danger is pretty elevated. If you're out there for more than 30 minutes, there's a pretty good chance you're going to come back a little redder. Lightning risk, wind and rain chance though, also all low today. But humid, hot, and sticky weather is on the way through the next several days. Tomorrow won't be as humid, but we will continue to see the 90-degree heat as high pressure starts to build in here across the southeast United States. This is our upper air pattern, and what we're looking for here is the big area of orange and red that shows up here. That's an area of high pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere. See these little lines right here? Or see this right through here? That's a trough, and those troughs bring in cooler air, but when you get this type of pattern, you get what's known as zonal flow across the United States, and as a result, we don't see many big weather systems, we don't see many big temperature changes, and we continue to be hot with high pressure setting in. That'll create sinking air, and that sinking air goes down towards the surface and then starts to warm as it impacts the surface, and as we get stuck with it for a few days, our temperatures climb. 93 is our forecast high for Thursday, and then as we go into Friday, looking for around 90, 91 degrees in the Tri-Cities. Notice a couple areas, though, a little cooler. That's thanks to a few cooling showers that I do expect to develop, and maybe even a couple thunderstorms, especially Friday across the area. It could help cool some spots down from those temperatures up in the 90s. So through the week, temperatures in the 90s, but as we go towards Thursday, Friday, and through the weekend, that humidity level going up, that'll make the feels like temperature go up as well. Feeling like the mid to upper 90s at times, about 94 to 97 with the heat index value or the UV index also rather high. Forecast temperatures versus our records. Let's talk about that. 96 is our record for Wednesday, 100 the record for Thursday, last set back in 1988. And for Friday, the record is 94 degrees. I think out of any of these days, the best chance we have of hitting the record will be on Friday if we don't see a shower or storm pop up earlier in the afternoon over at the airport. All-time record high for July, that's 102, set back in 1952. Thankfully, we're not going to get anywhere close to that this weekend or through the work week, as temperatures generally just remain in the upper 80s to low 90s region-wide. And here's my little trick, as many people who have lived here a long time know. If you want to escape the heat, go up in elevation. If you've never been to High Knob or Flag Rock in Wise County, maybe up to Rome Mountain, there are beautiful spots and beautiful scenery. Go check those out. It'll be at least 5 to 10 degrees cooler up at elevation. Now let's talk about the NASCAR All-Star race tomorrow night. It is at Bristol Motor Speedway. Temperatures there will be in the mid 80s around 7 o'clock and then dropping down into the upper 70s by 9 o'clock. 11 o'clock in the evening, temperatures there in the low 70s. Don't forget to be an all-star if you're heading out to that race and wear a mask to protect everyone else and also to help protect yourself.